Lol, sorry, no audio. Abhi, I think it should be fixed. Let's see. Yeah. ऑल राइट दोस्तों, राधे राधे। स्वागत है आप सभी का एक और लाइव स्ट्रीम में, जहाँ पे वी आर स्टार्टिंग एक और साइड प्रोजेक्ट और साइड हसल, कुछ भी कह सकते हैं आप। राइट। एंड द नेम, या, and the name of side hustle slash side project slash SAS etc many words, same thing, is ROI monk. And yep, ROI monk is a side project. What is ROI monk, or what will it be? So it will be a project where user can track and calculate ROI of their investments. Primarily, it targets small to medium business people, where they invest some amount of money in their digital ads. Let's say for an example, let's say I'm a, di- I'm a small, a medium businessman. I made some investments in let's say online ads, right? So I'll put that there, and let's say after 20 or 30 days, I get to see, okay, that this much revenue increased or something. So I'll put, okay, this is my this is the outcome, and then he'll get to know, okay, this has been the ROI on his investment. So he'll be able to keep a track. And okay, this is features, right? So he'll be able to keep a track, and he'll be able to see. He'll be able to create multiple campaigns. Campaigns is a word. Multiple folders and all. So let's say he created a campaign for Facebook ads, and then he created a campaign for, let's say, Twitter ads, and then for YouTube ads. He put $50, $50, $50 in each of them, and from Facebook he got to see के उसका revenue जो generation है, it's somewhere around $80 off. So he'll come, open that folder or campaign, and he'll add plus 80, right? And so he'll be able to see 80 minus 50 upon whatever that is, right? So whatever the formula is. So that is a pretty straightforward formula. It will add annualized returns formula as well, and eventually will expand this our project to more users as we incorporate. I mean that I'm not committing here, but let's see how it goes, right? So if everything goes well, so the plan to expand is, as I'll also incorporate the FDs, RDs, right, and the mutual funds, SIPs. So whatever the type of investment is, everything anybody can come here, and then we'll be able to, you know, we'll be able to, use this project to keep a track of all of his investment. Let's say after some time, let's say the product is full-fledged running good, right, and it has been expanded. So as a developer myself, I've put some money in SIPs, I've put some money in FD, right, I've put some money in RDs. Now I want to put more money. But then again, these are the three major categories I develop. I mean, I will put, right. So I'll see where I'm getting best returns on my investments. In that direction only, I wanna put my money in. Right. So that is the use case for this product. Those are the two use cases of this product: businessman, small to medium enterprises, and then solo people, right, who want to keep a track of their FDs, RDs, SIPs, etc, whatever there is. So let's talk about features, high level features. Of course, to user authentication, right? User should be able to create multiple campaigns. As I said, let's say Facebook ads, this Twitter ads, YouTube ads, or maybe FD1, FD2, FD3, RD1, RD2, RD3, etc, etc. Right, and in each campaign, different let's say I created a campaign, Facebook ads. On day one, I put $10. You add it. On day 20, 10, I add another $10. Add it, right? So that is another investment, right? Day 15, I put another $5. Add that. On day 30th, I'm seeing there's a revenue generation, there's a difference. The profit is $50. So I add that as well, right? So user should be able to add everything in different. I mean, basically different investments in all of the campaigns, and then user can perform CRUD operations with campaigns and investments. Of course, you should be able to do the CRUD with both campaigns and investments, right? And then a dashboard for overview of various campaigns and their performances. So we'll create a dashboard or something. I mean, the home page basically after the user logs in. So he'll be able to see all the types of uh, all the types of I mean, sorry, the performances of all his investments, right? So I have taken, I mean, I've researched a bit on different uh, places. So these are the three, dashboards which I have founded. So please, do something around these, or maybe, take inspiration or something. Then he'll be incorporating emails. Of course, you whenever as a user I sign up, sign in, you know, uh, uh, make a payment or do any whatever, right? So incorporate emails. The user will get emails. After that, we'll try to encrypt the data in database so that, God forbid, if our database gets, or hacked or something. So I mean, the data of user should not be compromised because it will be encrypted, right? So this is up to now, and this is like MVP, this whole thing. And then after shipping MVP, we'll be expanding to FDs, RDs. Up to here now, there is only a simple formula, return. I mean, whatever the profit is minus our what you call investment upon investment into 100, right? After that, we'll be incorporating the other formulas. Now you may ask, what is the tech stack? NextJS14, I mean, that's pretty standard now. App router with Clerk for authentication and user management, Prisma plus PostgreSQL for database, and Prisma is our ORM, and CHCN and Tailwind for our UI. Those are our UI libraries. Cool. So this is the initial tech stack. Of course, we'll be needing few more things, but this is the major thing, right? So I believe I'm pretty clear with these things, right? So if you have any doubt, anyone, you can. I mean, since no one is watching, you may comment, and I'll of course try to host it if I get a reasonable, if I get a what you call a domain at a reasonable price. So that's story for another time. Let's start with our development, right? So let's create a repo, uh, ROI monk, cool, description. We'll just copy this. Of course, we can edit this later. Public, add a readme file. No, let it be. Get ignore template. Let it be. Create repo. Right, and here we are. Cool, 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 cool. Now we'll just take this. Now just give me a second. Let me see. Clone this in my local, and then we'll start very fast. So where is this one? Okay, I'll show you this. Get clone, Cool. Right. So we are here. This should have been closed, but yes, chalo. Right. Cool. Now let's start with uh, you know building the boilerplate. So next JS docs installation. Of course, PNPM because that is fast. What is your project name? You put a dot. Okay, that's a little scam, right? I totally forgot. तो इसे डिलीट करें क्या सीन नेम चेंज हो सकता है क्या इस रीपो का कोई और मेरे को एक सेकंड दो दोस्तों मैं एक चीज देखता हूँ अच्छा ठीक है कोई दिक्कत नहीं रुक जाओ अरे कहाँ ओपन है कुछ if you own this one now cool no yes link yes TailwindCSS yes no yes 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 cool अभी इसके बाद हमें क्या चाहिए clerk clerk.com docs and I logged in into this. How do I see? Okay, so I believe I'm logged in from different account. मेरे को एक सेकंड दो दोस्तों इससे लॉग आउट करके I create from a different account. अंदर यो ओके तो once you log in into Clerk अगर आप पहली बार कर रहे होते हो तो आपको SMS मिलता है I mean you can do right. Application is name is ROI Monk and you will not do pointless shenanigans. I mean all of these things right adding email, phone number, etc, etc to our database or anything, right? That just doesn't make any sense. We'll just keep simple, continue with Google to our application because everybody has a Google account, right? And if this takes off, so we can anytime add all other options. So we'll create ROI Monk and we'll just use Google. Cool. So let's create our application. API की ना एक्सपोज हो जाएगी, ठीक है. Now we need to install this. वो हो गया. Cool. Clerk NextJS, ठीक है. अबे यार, ठीक है, चलो कोई नहीं. I'll do something about it. Right. Thank God अभी viewership 0 है. Anyhow, अपन लोगों ने क्लर्क सेटअप कर लिया है. I mean इंस्टॉल कर लिया है. All of this करना है क्या अभी? We do it in a bit. और क्या क्या चाहिए हमें? एक्सट्रैक्ट में जाते हैं. क्लर्क हो गया. प्रिज्मा प्रोज के prisma.io. This is the one we need. Cool. बट मेरे को तो ये थोड़ी चाहिए. रुक जाओ यार. ये कर लिया. ये नहीं चाहिए. ये करेंगे. CLI वगैरह में हम भरोसा करते ही नहीं है क्योंकि राइट. एंड देन cool, connect to your database. PostgreSQL, that's right. That's what I want to work with. PostgreSQL, yeah. Cool. डेटाबेस कनेक्ट करना होगा ऑफ कोर्स हमें. URL लाना होगा कहीं से तो. ओके, तो विल लुक इनटू दिस लेटर. अब बस इंस्टॉल कर लें और अगर हुआ तो थोड़ा बहुत क्लर्क को देखेंगे. राइट. तो इतना होने के बाद आई बिलीव एवरीथिंग इज सेटअप. हाँ, यहाँ से डेटाबेस पुल कर लो. कूल. प्रिज्मा इज सेटअप. CN installation. Next.js. CN. ये तो हो गया ना सर? यस. नाउ कूल. अरे ये सब तो पर अपना मेन में हो जाएगा. कोई नहीं. Meanwhile, in the root, I'll create another file. Features.md. I will just quickly copy this so that I don't forget it. या फिर let it be. Right. Let's not put it here because anyhow हम पे वहाँ पे है, so we can always go back to that place and see. Right. मैं पानी पी लेता हूँ. We'll go with New York style. Base color. That is a very good question. So base color, I was thinking, my friends, what if I take stone or it was it gray? Was it neutral? Please. क्योंकि अपना अपन लोग ऐसे ओवरव्यू में ये ऐसा कुछ चार्ट भी देंगे. राइट. फॉर दैट आई वाज थिंकिंग आई विल जस्ट टेक ब्लू. बट देन सही रीसेट करने के लिए uh, blue cheese, of course we can edit that later, right? So let's go with slate. Yes, चलेगा, बिल्कुल चलेगा. तो अपना ship scene भी हो गया इंस्टॉल. We'll just quickly copy code, copy this, and we'll put it in our वो global CSS. Wow, dudes, let's just see. कितना चेंज करना है मेरे को आइडिया नहीं है यार. इतना करके देखें. अप्लाई बॉर्डर बॉर्डर. Believe this should work. ओके, तो ये भी हो गया अपना. फॉन्ट्स बाद में देखेंगे. And we are ready, I believe. Yes. PM. और इसके बाद PNPM run dev. Meanwhile, we come to the page. I'll delete all of this thing. Nothing is required. Yeah. Let's start deleting the boilerplate जो अपन को बिल्कुल ही नहीं चाहिए. अभी कौन है को पड़ा रहने दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इसको रहने दो, इसको भी रहने देंगे. ये भी सही ही लग रहा है. I mean, we can just remove the comments and yep, don't need either of that. cool.env में कुछ आ गया होगा. Yes, database URL of course. Yes, JSON चलेगा चलेगा. config. हाँ हाँ, get ignore में मेरे को 3 चीजें और ऐड करनी थी, I believe, and that is uh, package log.json and control C और dot YAML. ठीक है. आई बिलीव क्योंकि यही सीन होता है. मैं एक बार देख लेता हूँ जो मेरे पास एक जगह है. कहाँ पे है? हाँ, ये तीन है. सॉरी. तो बेसिकली so that whenever I set up project anywhere, मैं ये फाइल नहीं रहेंगे तो मैं कहीं से भी इंस्टॉल कर सकता हूँ. राइट, आई कैन डू npm pnpm ion whatever. राइट, ये चलेगा. js config चलेगा 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 चलेगा, सब चलेगा. readme पड़ा रहने दो. we'll edit this at once. Cool. I believe that's all. Close all. And we'll just go to page. Quick fix. Wow. Yep. Let's go to localhost 3000. Why is it taking so much of time? हम्म कूल। तो आई बिलीव कलर भी प्रॉपरली इंपोर्ट हो गया, आप स्टार्ट बटन में देख सकते हो, राइट? So that is great, great, great job. I'll just remove everything from here. And I'll put this is home page, right? This is the basically landing page, I should say. Now that we are here, let's quickly do a thing. Let's, yeah, अरे यार commit and sync commit and push initial commit. यहाँ पे हमने बहुत बेसिक से सेटअप किया है, right? And then now we come here, we quickly refresh this, and we should be able to see. Yep, cool, right? Now let's quickly start with Clerk.js, right? So we'll create a function, we'll create a branch basically, authentication branch. इसमें हम सिर्फ ऑथेंटिकेशन का डील करेंगे. Yeah. So let me quickly close it. Get full, I believe is the right command. Get checkout authentication. Cool. npm run dev. Oh, sorry, pnpm run dev. ओके, तो अपने ऐप में आने के बाद लेट्स क्रिएट अ न्यू फाइल जो कि होगी अपनी प्रोटेक्टेड में फोल्डर में, डैशबोर्ड, जहाँ पे यूजर विल कम, राइट? और इसके अंदर ले लो पेज डॉट jsx and we'll just export default function. पेज ही ले लेते हैं because more or less we know, right? Return this is private route, and as you can see we would be able to go to, not you, हाँ, where was I? Cool, create next step, right? टाइटल चेंज कर देते हैं इसका यार. I'm not enjoying the title. Title is ROI more, ताकि दूर से दिख जाए. रिफ्रेश, कमान अपडेट. Yep, right, we cool. Now this is a private router, right? So how do I go here? हाँ, but अभी अगर हम ये करते हैं तो we will be able to go to dashboard, which we should not. So that's why we'll start setting up with our clerk. uh, तो ये ले लेंगे. Of course I'm gonna change it later. .env. ऑल्सो अभी मुझे डेटाबेस का लफड़ा नहीं है क्योंकि यूजर मैनेजमेंट सारा क्लर्क ही कर लेता है, तो कुछ बहुत बड़ा ऐसा लफड़ा नहीं है. इसको वो नहीं कर सकता क्या मैं यार? आई मीन सेटिंग्स. इसको नाइट मोड में नहीं कर सकते क्या दोस्तों? एनी हाउ, यस, ओके, क्लर्क प्रोवाइडर को डालना है अपने पूरे ऐप में। Go with this. Yes, cool, right, same import है ना? Now middleware.js, not a fan of middleware.js. Cool, right, allows redirect to your, and no, let's see npm run dev, let's restart our, अरे इसको पहले वो करते हैं, एक ही उसमें लेके आओ, दो जगह बीटी हो रहा है। हाँ, now localhost 3000, pin it so that it's at the top left every time. GitHub I believe is, so you are not also, आप भी नहीं, आप भी थोड़ी देर बाद आइएगा। So we are here. Cool, इसने कुछ नहीं किया। हाँ यार, ये की ना बढ़िया बात, जब से यार उसमें दे रखा था। Anyway, sign up. Okay, इसको कर लेते हैं ऐसे, इसको कर लेते हैं ऐसे। Right, we are in app. Let's start with sign up. Again up. Well, sign in page, I believe both are same, right? ठीक है, चलो। Sign in. अच्छा, इसे बंद करके चल यार, सर्वर भी चल रहा है, उसे भी किल करना पड़ेगा। ओह, हो गया, कूल, साइन अप साइन इन हो गए। Delete your environment variables. Wow. Wait, dot env कैसे ट्रैक हो रहा है? What the hell, bro? Uh, uh, GitHub. Never mind. Sorry. कोई चीज जाके, अच्छा मेन में तो एक बार ही हो जाएगा ना? हाँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, मेन में एक साथ ही फुल कर लेंगे। right? Visit your new pages, pnpm dev. Yes. So arrow me and home. So I believe. Hmm. Meanwhile, let's go ahead. I help us. That's this looks good, right? तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? Quickly go to sign down. ठीक है, div बना लेते हैं. Class name, height 3, width 3. ऐसे ही होता है ना, यही है ना? हाँ. Flex item center justify center, and this is for sign up. Let's go to sign in as well. Control C, Control P, delete. Cool. Sorry, sorry, my friend. Yeah. So we should be able to sign in with Google. Now let's protect our routes, which we will do from here. ठीक है, अब इसे कैसे करेंगे हम? तो देखो दोस्तों, ऐसा है, मैं भी पहली बार यूज कर रहा हूँ, राइट? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? मिडलवेयर. हाउ डू यू राइट इट? हाँ, cool. Right. Let's do a thing. हाँ, चलेगा. This is what exactly I wanted. I don't want this. I just want the dashboard to be protected properly, and I believe this should work. Though I can be totally wrong. Okay, this is our landing page, right? And then we'll go to, if I go to dashboard, yeah. So that is protected now. And if I continue with Google, I go with my username. I believe I should be able to. Yep. So that is great job, my friends. And yep, दैट इज ग्रेट 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 जॉब. अपने को यहाँ पे ये मिल गया, recent signups and all, right? So that is great job. हमने authentication setup कर लिया, right? And I'm not doing any major shenanigans or anything. Quickly, I'm just keeping it very simple. Why? Okay. अबे यार. Sheesh, मेरे. अरे why am I able to access it? I should not. Right? I just figured the cookies. ऐसा क्यों होता है? और यार मैंने इधर से shit यार. मेरा अकाउंट भी लॉक आउट हो गया. राइट राइट. लेट्स सी. और वो रिडायरेक्ट कर दे रहा था. दैट इज ग्रेट. बट जा क्यों नहीं रहा कहीं भी. राइट. साइन इन टू ROI now. That is not great. Need to edit this. Great. तो आई बिलीव दोस्तों हम आज का काफी कुछ अचीव कर लिए. बेसिकली ऑथेंटिकेशन हमने सेटअप कर लिया है. तो दैट. और मेरे सारे अकाउंट्स भी वो हो गए यार, लॉग आउट हो गए. तो आई प्रोबेबली कांट इवन गो बैक. ठीक है. तो यही करना था. ये लिखा है ना देखो, यूज ऑथ प्रोटेक्ट इफ यू रीडायरेक्ट. राइट. दैट इज ग्रेट 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 जॉब. राइट. तो फिर हम आज के लिए इस वीडियो को दोस्तों यहीं तक रखते हैं, है ना. जस्ट क्विकली push everything and I believe authentication has been achieved. तो that is great. क्लर्क सेटअप हो गया अपना बढ़िया तरीके से. तो let's just push it. क्लर्क सेटअप. राइट. एक काम और करते हैं अपन लोग. We'll do it that later and let's just close it. We'll go to GitHub. और फिर आज के लिए दोस्तों इतना ही रखते हैं. हमने क्लर्क सेटअप कर लिया. ऑथेंटिकेशन अपना बहुत सही हो रहा है. राइट. फुल ही कर लेते हैं, उधर डिलीट कर दिया था ना। ये क्या हो रहा है, यूज हो रही हो। अच्छा इसे स्टैश करना पड़ेगा ना मुझे। चल भाई आजा, अब इसमें आजा। And that is why friends you don't do। इंग्लिश तो एक नहीं है पर ठीक है चलो। Cool, so I believe things might have been a little, yeah। ये दो बार आ जाएगा। This shouldn't have been there, but since I messed up a little, here we are। Anyhow, authentication, I mean, never mind, using Clerk, yeah। And yes, add rule, never mind, we'll look this later, yeah। Pointlessly, let's not waste time, and let's just merge it। Cool, so we are good to roll। यहाँ से वो भी चली गई, and I will just go to git checkout main get full। So I believe I got everything. Now I just want to do a dot env। I will just put everything back, and yeah। So great job guys, great job। बाकी आज के लिए फिर इतना ही रखते हैं। आई होप आपको कुछ नया सीखने को मिला हो। आई डेफिनेटली डिड लर्न क्वाइट अ फ्यू थिंग्स। बेसिकली क्लर्क जेएस के साथ दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट टाइम। तो क्लर्क काफी आई मीन ऑथेंटिकेशन सेटअप करा, ऑल्दो इट्स वेरी बेसिक बट आई फील लाइक इट इज गुड इनफ, या राइट, बिकॉज आई मीन राइट, कौन ही हैक करने आ रहा है, टचवुड। बाकी आई मीन क्लर्क इज काफी भरोसे वाला है अगेन, एंड as you can see I can do all of my things there as well, managing user and all, so that is great। yeah। बाकी मिलते हैं फिर आपसे कल दोस्तों, जिसमें हम अपना डेटाबेस सेटअप शुरू करेंगे। मैं थोड़ा सा स्कीमा सोच के आऊँगा, अभी तो मैं सोच के नहीं आया हूँ कुछ ऐसे बहुत खास। तो बस मेरे को लग रहा था क्लर्क में ही बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा। आई मीन आज का दिन और कल का दिन मैं प्लान करके चला था, बट कंसिडरिंग अभी क्लर्क हो गया, दैट्स ग्रेट जॉब राइट। बाकी फिर मिलते हैं आपसे कल, ठीक है दोस्तों, चलो राधे राधे।